Omukolo gwa kutongoza Muslim Women Rehabilitation Foundation Limited ogubira muzigiti mukuru ogwa Abakazi omurembo Mbarara. Omugenyi omukuru Hajati Aisha Nansobuga ali kukurira ekitongole ekyebyentambula enyenyenyi kya Ethiopia Airways ashabire abakazi abasiraamu obutekunda bonka kureka bahwere nabandi.
The message I give to women is, to the men is, we as women, we are part of you in nurturing the children of Uganda or the children of the world.
Hona ogu hasimire abetabire omuhururu eyokurundana esente ezokwombeka enzu ya kazi wa Mbarara.
Omulungi okunabeeranga kulanya ate era mu tushaziza bamiira naye gwe bw'oba olina obuzibu nga bwakulemerako liisa abaana wallahi liisa abaana bato tebaliko buzibu liisa abaana Allah ajja kukola ki
Omugandi ekigombe kya Muslim Women Rehabilitation Foundation Limited batebenkanise okusabira n'okugaburira abeegi abekyamusanzu okuruga omu masomero agatari gamwe na gamwe omu rurembo Mbarara.
Now paper which came from heaven is just as normal paper as we usually do from the beginning of term from beginning of term 1 until now.
Here is to ask the Almighty Allah to put us among the successful ones in our coming examinations. I encourage my fellow candidates to continue working hard in order to attain success.
I wish you a very, very beautiful success, and I know that you are going to make it, inshallah ta'ala.
Tubaweddwa bayige nti omuntu babawe ekibadde embeera yonna ebeemutuuseeko yesigamire omutonzi.
Abwa TV West aliwaswa omurembo Mbarara.